Hey everyone, for today's video I'll be showing you how to lighten pampas grass. So if you want to see how that's done, then just keep on watching. This is how the pampas grass is looking before, and unfortunately it's not as fluffy as I would have liked it to be, but it's okay because I picked it for free out in nature. And on the right is a sample of when I try this method and how light it will get. So to start off, I'm pouring 3 cups of water into a tub, and then very carefully I'm pouring 1 cup of bleach. And the size of the cup doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You just want to make sure the tub is about 1/3 of the way full. So for every 3 cups of water, you want to use 1 cup of bleach. Then I place them in piece by piece, making sure that they are fully saturated. And I also don't swirl it around too much because I don't want it to shed. Then you can leave it in for about 1 to 2 hours. I left it in for about 1.5 hours, and you just want to check on it and take it out when it looks to how you desire, but about 2 hours max should be good. Here's how it's looking, and as you can see, it's lost most of its warm tones and it looks more cool and ashy. And for reference, here's a piece that I put in there recently, and you can see the difference in how light it got. So now it's time for it to be rinsed out, and I'm just making sure that the solution drains off. Then I'm putting it into the tub of water and I'm swirling it around to clean it. Then I'm adding some body wash to get off any of the remaining bleach, and I'm swishing it around to ensure that it's thoroughly clean. Then I drained that soapy water and I'm rinsing and separating the pieces so it's easier for the drying process. Next, I'm putting down a paper towel and laying the pampas grass across it. I'm also spacing it out and drying off the heavy water. And now to separate the hairs, I'm taking a toothbrush and gently combing it out, ensuring it's not all clumped and stuck together. And this will help it to have more volume. And you can also use your fingers to separate it, whatever method works best for you. And overall, doing this helps to add fluff and fullness. Lastly, you want to shake it out, and then you want to blow dry it downwards from the top to the bottom, or you can put it in a vase to air dry. And after a few days, the pampas grass fluffed back up, and it did lose some of its softness and volume from the bleaching, but overall it turned out amazing and I love the results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. And if you want any more information, then just check the description box below. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.